Hello everyone, welcome to another travel vlog. This time I am in Batumi, a city in Georgia, and after Tbilisi I am visiting this city. It is a nice city, just careful and beautiful, and it is a sea city. I mean, it has beaches in the Black Sea. So I will be actually showing you many attractions in this city and just enjoying it. Is a perfect day for vlog and for recording things. So just you can see the sea, I mean the seaside, the beaches. So I'll be also showing you these beaches. It's a nice place. So let's explore Batumi. Guys, just hiking and walking in the garden, Batumi garden. This is a jungle kind of place and the first attraction in Batumi, and just from here you can view the sea as well, the seaside. It's really awesome and a great morning here. The weather is also awesome right now, and I'm fully enjoying the walk here in the jungle. And basically this is the first attraction here, so we'll be going to other attractions as well. My friend Wakas is also with me. He is from Dubai, and we met here and now exploring together. So if you are in Batumi ever, then don't forget to visit Batumi Garden, which is 5 to 6 kilometers away from the city center, and you can reach here by taking a taxi, and you will see some really nice background scenes like the Black Sea and jungles and many things. Is another attraction in Batumi is the cable car. Right now here I am in the cable car, you can see, and it is just 15 lari. I mean the ticket is just $5 and you just can see all the city. I mean the Batumi city you can explore through this cable car. It will take around 10 minutes to reach there on the other side on the top of the mountain, and you can view all the city as you can see. So this is another attraction you should be expecting in Batumi.
It's so easy right now to tell you that you're the one for me. I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. So come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you and I won't see. It's so easy to tell you, baby, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. We've had our ups and downs, that's for sure. And I swear I never found something so pure. Right now I doubt if I could want you more. I don't say this enough, but I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
This is the top of the Batumi city. Just we came by taking the cable car, and from here you can see all the city and the attractions and almost everything from here, from this area. So I'm just looking forward to show you some other scenes from here.
I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. Just come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you and I won't see. That you're the one for me. You're the one for me. We've had our ups and downs, that's for sure. And I swear I never found something so pure. Right now I doubt if I could want you more. I don't say this enough, but I'll never let you.
Hey guys, just coming back from the cable car tour, and it was just awesome, absolutely amazing tour in Batumi. And if you are in Batumi, then you must not miss this thing. I mean the cable car, just take it from from the city and you will get to the top. So simply enjoy it a lot. That's great.
That we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories have faded away and our flowers in the dry.
attraction in Batumi. A really nice historical place here you can see in the background. So this is the third attraction here in Batumi, and we are still exploring and looking at other places. So you're gonna enjoy this vlog lots.
Remember what you used to say, that we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories are faded away, and our flowers really drop.
So guys, simply enjoying in this city Batumi is actually really awesome. It has so many attractions. I mean, you just go and you find another attraction, you finish that and you go to other place. Most of the city is actually attraction. And now we are on the seaside just taking some snacks, and we'll resume the tour again just a few minutes later. So I hope you are gonna enjoy this vlog.
I am already through.
So guys, another great attraction in Batumi. This is called Beach Road, and we are just walking here, and again it is a nice thing. just walking on the beach road. Very famous, very beautiful and clean and green. And this is a very long trek. You can simply enjoy and this is aquarium in Batumi. Guys, it is almost evening time here in Batumi, and I'm just walking in the local markets and local streets. You can see my friend is with me. Hello. And kids are there in the background. They're playing because it is just evening time. Evening is about to begin here in Batumi. I can show you the surroundings. And it was a great day here in Batumi. I stayed here only for one day, and it was just amazing. So I'll also show you some of the shots at night, which you might like as well. So just now walking towards find some places here, more places to show you in the video in Batumi, Georgia. You can see in the background there are markets, shops and buildings, big buildings like Dubai, buildings like Dubai. chose है ना किसी को भी होगा. Finally guys, it is a night walk here in Batumi. Just went into this market, grocery market, and took some things. I mean some stuff, really nice stuff for night. And just crossing the road is very dangerous here in Batumi. So guys, this is our room here in Batumi. I will show you. See, this room is. So this is the room in Batumi. 2 beds and that portrait of a band. This hotel in Batumi is basically inspired by bands. So every room has really nice music portraits, and actually the room name is also linked to a very famous band. Our one is Gold. What is the name of our room?
Coldplay.
Goldplay, yes. And see, wow, what a nice view from my room. This is the view from my room, the sea view and city view and everything. So basically this room I got for $20 for 2 persons. So per person it cost only $10. So it's very cheap, and the room is just excellent and awesome, very clean, nice, beautiful. So that's it. So guys, the Batumi tour finally came to an end. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the vlog, just give it a thumb, share it on social media, and subscribe to my channel for upcoming destinations. I mean, really great destinations I'm going to visit, and document and record the vlogs for you. And basically Batumi is not expensive city. It is just cheaper, like other cheaper destinations in the world. The hotel room costs between $10 to $20, and you can get a taxi for $2 wherever you want to go in the city, Batumi city. So it should not cost you more than $2. And for $5 you can have a great lunch or dinner in Batumi city. So that's it for Batumi, and see you again with another great destination.